Crude oil washing. Checks and precautions when start. Cow work should be implemented by strictly adhering to the relevant rules and regulations, after confirming safety and taking care to prevent oil leaks, explosions, and cargo contamination. The Crude Oil Washing Operations and Equipment Manual has been prepared in accordance with the requirements of Regulation 13B of the 1978 Protocol of the International Convention for Preventing of Pollution from Ships, 1973. The manual must be approved by the administration and placed on board the ship. The cow work should be implemented in accordance with the requirements of this manual. Valve lineup for cow must be clearly instructed by responsible deck officers, so as not to cause cargo contamination and oil spill due to mishandling. Station deck duty in pump room and upper deck during cow operation. Maintain close communication between deck and CCR. When cow driving pump starts, station crew in the pump room, at the pressure gauge of the cow line, at the cow machine, and at the pressure gauge 4 of the cow line on deck if possible. Open the cow master valve gradually in order to send oil slowly into the cow line. Crew must report to CCR when they hear the cargo pass through the cow line. When the cow master valve is fully opened with the minimum revolution of the pump, cow line pressure will generally be less than 0.3 megapascal. The cow machine will move if the cow line is filled with oil. Confirm that there are no abnormalities in the line, cow machine, and in the pump room, before increasing the pressure gradually. Also check the reading of the pressure gauge at location. At the start of cow at the port, pay special attention to oil leakage, indication of pressure gauge, and working condition of cow machine. In most oil terminals in Japan, terminal personnel will also check the cow line as their duty. This is to ensure close monitoring of the cargo operation at berth. Open the tank stripping suction valve when eductor suction pressure becomes vacuum, while increasing cow line pressure. This is to avoid backflow from eductor to tank, while the pressure is positive. Set cow line pressure as stated in the manual. Criteria for stopping cow work. 1. When oxygen concentration of the tank atmosphere exceeds 8%, volumetric ratio. 2. If inert gas supply is no longer possible due to failure of the inert gas system. 3. If the pressure in the cargo tank drops below 2 kilopascals.